If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account or a Facebook account, perhaps you created lots of Facebook accounts and you want to delete it, just follow these steps. It will help you delete it permanently. Follow the steps you can see on the screen. So you click on account ownership and control, and to load a bit, then you go to deactivation and deletion. So that is what you should select. So deactivation means you just want to temporarily put it on hold, while deletion means you are going to delete your account permanently, but it's not going to be done immediately. It will take like 30 days before they finally delete your account. So just take note of that. So before we delete, so it's just asking you to choose why you want to delete Facebook. You can pick the first one in case you don't know what to pick, and then you click on confirm account deletion. So please, this is very important. This is very, very important. Please download your information. I know why I'm saying this, except it's a burner account or an account that you don't really need it again. But please, if you can download your information, your photos and everything, because I've seen people saying how can they retrieve their chats and everything that they deleted their accounts. Well, please do this. Download your info before deleting your account. So once you delete the account, put in the password, and then after putting the password, it will ask you, do you want to delete your account? I should confirm that it will be deleted in 30 days. So you go ahead and delete it, and then it will log you out of the account. So go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you.